guys, it's another craft with me. I'm in need of a ton more of ephemera pieces, actually 15. But I've got some other ideas that I want to do. But first, I have these pages that I've cut out of a book, and I thought it'd be nice to make something that she can write on one side and have the image on the other. So I did a bit what I've done to do some of the pockets in their book. I've pulled out some cardstock that I haven't been using, like this. I'm not using it. And I'm figuring that I could line this on top and then cover the image, and then she could write on the back. So the first thing I need to do is to cut out the images that I'm going to be using. So I pulled out my big guillotine just so that we can do that. And I thought this could be interesting because, you know, sometimes you don't know what to do with ephemera pieces, so that's a good idea. Plus, a lot of times we've got all these scraps, and sometimes the papers is just not inspiring anymore. So it's kind of fun if we can find ways of using it. And I'm hoping that out of all of these, there's some images that I can actually use. The smaller pieces. So like, for example, that one might be a cool one too, because it's a smaller piece. And of course that means I won't have the image on the back, but can't have everything. So let me just take that image right there. I don't want to cut her ears off. I've got two. So it's a short with me, but still. Here I want to make sure that I don't cut their feet, but there's a cute image on this side, so I really want that image. So let's carefully cut that one out, and then I'm still good with this. And actually, could I do something with this one? Maybe I can use this bunny on something else. Okay, so then I can use this. So I'm always trying to find ways of using my scraps and using all that paper that I've got, and as well as using the books that I've purchased for, you know, for exactly that idea. And often I end up just looking at them but not necessarily using. I like this here. I don't know if I want to keep that, but I like him. So that, and I found this little one as well that I thought was super cute. Unfortunately, it's on the other side, and I really like this one as well. I think I'm just gonna keep the carrots because that could be fun. Probably on a future project, because I don't need any more Billy Bands for my journal. Actually, I've got plenty. I ended up with a lot of tuck spots, but just not enough stuff to put in them. Okay, so we've got all of these ready. Oops. That's my other guillotine that just fell in my recycling bin. So yeah, I just wanted to put the camera on just because, you know, I figured this could be a fun thing to do together. And okay, so let's try to be strategic about this. I've got tiny ones. This would be perfect for like this. And I know it's a very pretty paper, but I'm not using it. Unless I go with this, and then I could leave a bigger border, but I'm thinking, nah, I really want to use this. This one would be probably one of the best. Trying to addition the papers so that I use as many as possible of the smaller scraps. Yeah, I think that's the longest I have. So I'll glue this one down. And line the edge. And then all I need to do is cut around this like so. And nice writing spot, and at the same time I've used up this paper, and it made it a bit, because it's very flimsy if you just put this, and plus you can't write on it, so whereas when you do this, then you can write on it. So I'm thinking that I really love that, and I'm throwing this away. Okay, so for that one I have also found this in my stash, and I'm thinking I want to use it for something for this journal. Okay, that one. So I'd be curious to know what type of ephemera you put into your journals, items that you can actually write on. I've put some cards as well, because I felt, you know, you can write in the inside of the card. So that one is a cute idea. And I did find some throughout the year, some bunny cards. Okay, so this one is a bit short, but that one I think should be fine. Yeah. Use that. I don't know what I use this piece of cardstock for, but I'm telling you, it's been in my stash like forever and a day. So actually, I think I'm gonna leave a little edge to this. And here we go. So it's going to be tall in the book. Let's do that, or I fold it, but I'm not sure that I want to fold it. Oops! So we'll see. If I could use this on here, then I could actually throw this piece away as well and not feel guilty about it. Let's do that. Like that. So like this, going this way. I've got this. This is a bit short, but this would do. And if I do a little edge, then I can throw away the rest of that and not feel guilty about it. Okay. So another one. And I can throw that little piece. And then I'm left with this. That could be cute. It's going to give it a bit of a border. Like that. So this, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. I wonder if I've got, because I had other pages from another book. I wonder if I could, there's this here that has rabbits, this one here, this here, that little one, this little one. So we had how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, that'd be pretty good. And then I can do some little booklets with the other ones, because that's one of the things that I'm thinking of doing. These little booklets. Okay, so that's one. This is squirrels. I'm not liking it all that much. This one is too big, but the bath could be fun. My stepmom loves to take baths, so maybe she can journal about it. The little frogs are cute too. So there's this. Okay, this would be a cute border. I want to keep this as a border for possible other projects. Obviously my first cut was not, I used my scissors, so it's not straight, so I really wanted to redo it, but on the small I can't I'm going to use this one because the other one on the other side is very cute, but at the same time it's about rain and them being stuck, and I don't know, it seems a bit depressing. This is better, I think. And then there's this one, and yes, I'm cutting the beautiful fall border, but there's only so much fall stuff that I can use, so okay, so we've got all of these. And slot that away. Oh, this is not gonna work. Put it on there. So it makes for fun ephemera that's very cheap, just using that children's book. Because I think the children's books that I purchase are usually like 99 cents or $1.29 at the most. So you can get a lot of stuff for your buck. Okay. Or we'd be cute on yellow as well. And then what else do I have? That could be cute. Or like that. Maybe this one. This way I can put it so that the text is up. Okay. So this was part of, I had purchased way back, way back, before I started making cards, some stuff that, some cards at Costco, and those cards had those little index in them. And once I finished using the cards, then I'm using the box to store other stuff, but I kept the little cards. So I think that's cute. And then we've got one left. And I'm thinking that this would be perfect for him. Yeah, I'm covering it up. And I know it's beautiful paper, and I'm gonna get comments about how it's beautiful paper and I'm covering it up, but you know what, guys, at least I'm using it, and that's what matters, that you use up your stash. And after a while you've just seen it so often that you get tired of it, and you know, I send out empty mail, but it's like paper can get pretty heavy. Okay, so we've got quite a lot of ephemera pieces done. I'm hoping that you're liking this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That was pretty productive. So I hope you like it. If you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye everyone.